Welcome to Sweet and Savory Treats with Gia. Today I'm making key lime pie, literally one of my favorite things my mom ever made. So now it's time to mix up your crackers, cookies, crisp, whatever country you're in, whatever you call them. You're going to blend those up really fine. The finer, the better. Use whatever you have that will chop. You can also put them in a bag and use a rolling pin and crush them, whatever you need. You're going to add in the brown sugar. The brown sugar is the key ingredient in a perfect crust. And you're going to blend that all together, make sure it's evenly incorporated. You are going to take melted butter and sea salt. I use Kerrygold here. You can use whatever kind you have. I'm going to add in some cinnamon. That is cinnamon straight from Morocco. If you've never had cinnamon from Morocco, I suggest you try it. It's phenomenal. And a little bit of sea salt. I also have cinnamon from Jamaica, making up a really good cookie this weekend. I'll share that with you guys. But don't forget to like and subscribe. You're going to mix this together until it's the consistency of wet sand. Do not put too much butter. Then you're going to dump it into your pie tin. I went to Ralph's, the clearance section. They had these really cute pie tins with lids and everything for $1 something. We love a good deal. You're going to even it out, and then you're going to take a glass flat bottom cup. I feel like that's like some type of country song, like flat bottom cup. But anyway, you're going to mash it down gingerly. Legit gingerly. Don't be too heavy handed. You'll create spaces and gaps in your pie crust. And you are going to spread that out until you see nice edges form. You're going to bake it in the oven for literally 10 minutes. Not that long. You don't want it in the oven that long. Then I'm taking 1/4 cream cheese. I'm smoothing it out so it's not as lumpy, and I'm mixing in my condensed milk. You're going to stir that together until it's creamy. You'll see me get the whisk momentarily. You're going to add in your Greek yogurt. It's so important. Greek yogurt makes things so smooth. And then I put my 2 eggs, I mix that together, and I have my lime zest, not lemon zest, my bad. My lime zest with my lime juice together. And I use key limes. If you can't find them, I went to Vallarta to get my key limes in Los Angeles, but you can try anywhere else. And you're going to add in your salt, you're going to add in your vanilla, and then you are going to mix in that lime juice, that key lime juice, and you're just going to keep mixing. I don't care if you mix until your elbows hurt. The smoother, the better. You're going to pour this smooth mixture into your baked pie crust because we baked it, remember? You're going to pour that in there, and then you're going to smooth it out. You see how I did that? And then you're going to bake it for under 12 minutes. It does not need to be in the oven a long time. This is the finished product. I made homemade whipped cream. All you need is heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and a little vanilla or vanilla bean paste. And you slice your key limes, you put them on. And if you guys could see the shine, I hope you enjoy just as much as we will. Wow. Wow. See hello with the whipped cream. When you make things with love, make a world of difference. Seriously. I can do like a happy dance. This is bomb. It tastes like my mom's. Goodness.